that or not. Now, I've heard like if you take...
Oh, here we go.
This is a test, only a test of the emergency alert system from the Island County Department of Emergency Management. Had this been an accident...
Jesus Christ, that scared me.
No Weather Radio from National Weather Service Seattle will switch over to a new system in the morning of Monday, August 8th. The biggest change, as listeners may notice, will be that instead of the common sound of voices with the old system, they will hear only one voice with the new system, Paul. Other than that, there will be no change to the products and programming. Please send any comments
Ooh, that's sweet.
to webx.radio.seattle@noaa.gov. You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio Station WXM62 Olympia.
Alright.
Southwest Washington Interior.
I'm gonna switch over to this for the monitoring.
Only a test of the emergency alert system from the Island County Department of Emergency Management. Had this been an actual emergency, this system will bring you important information. The following tone will conclude this test. This concludes a test of the emergency alert system.
At the elusive seabird that the state postponed finalizing its long-term habitat conservation.
Here we go.
Now the Department of Natural Resources, that word, it's considering 6 alternatives for how to manage forests on state trust lands to grow more habitat. The birds nest high up on wide branches and old-growth trees as far as 50 miles from the coast. Sean Cantrell with the Northwest Regional Office of Defenders of Wildlife says Washington's forests will be critical.
This is a test, only a test of the emergency alert system from the Island County Department of Emergency Management. Had this been an actual emergency, this system would bring you important information. The following tones will conclude this test.
Of their decline, and the biggest threat to their survival and recovery is the loss of nesting habitat.
Celebrating